Hey guys, Todd Ferris with the Ferris Property Group and the FC Tucker Company. Join me this Sunday, here at 4961 South Cobblestone Drive in Zionsville. So why host an open house on Super Bowl Sunday? What else would I be doing? Not like the Vikings are in it. So won't you join me for a quick preview of what you won't want to miss? Here's the living room, where we can discuss how perpetual all-star Nick Foles tore our defense apart. There's the kitchen, where you can join me in drowning your sorrows over a tin of cookies. How about the master bathroom, where the tub is shaped like a zero, much like the amount of times the Vikings have been to the Super Bowl since I joined Earth? So join me this Sunday from 12 to 2 as we prepare for Tom Brady and Bill Belichick to win another Super Bowl ring, because that's exciting. At least this house is nice. Oh, look at me. I married Giselle and we got 17 Super Bowl rings and sleep in really comfortable beds and wear black turtlenecks. Woo!